Before starting about Microsoft Azure AI, let me introduce about myself. Hi, my name is Sekhar, having 15 years of experience on Microsoft technologies, and I am working as a Azure solution architect. Okay, so I am the certified trainer, Microsoft Copilot John. Yeah, you can verify my name in LinkedIn as well. Yeah. Next, now have a look. So before going for Microsoft Azure, just I want to let you know something about IT infrastructure. So do you know what is the IT infrastructure, guys? Why should I go for first thing is cloud computing? Any idea? Anyone? What is the cloud computing? Why should I go for cloud computing? Any idea? So why should I go for cloud computing? Forget about it. We'll discuss it later. First thing, we have to discuss about IT infrastructure. Do you know what is the IT infrastructure? Any idea? Anyone?
Means servers and all.
Yeah, IT infrastructure is nothing but it's a collection of hardware, software, switches, network, load balancer. Is called IT infrastructure. See, guys. These are what IT infrastructure. We have devices, all devices together communicated to one switch. This is the firewall and this is the networking. And the next we will do, we had what? Database. Okay. We had server rack, hardware devices. Okay. So this is, we will call it as IT infrastructure. Clear? So to maintain our own IT infrastructure, what do you require? Anyone? Data center, guys. This is the data center. So what is the data center? Data center is the heart of the organization where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the application within the corporate network is called data center. Within the corporate network means like if you go for any company in the world, like TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, any company, they had their own data center. So you may have query that already we had on-premises data center. Why should we go for cloud computing? Very good. To maintain our own data center, there are many challenges. Okay, to maintain our own data center, there are many challenges. One is nowadays entire world looking for cost and time, guys. Okay, to provision 10 servers in our own data center, it will take 10 days minimum. Same servers to provision in cloud computing, just it will take a minute. Okay, yeah, here lot of time consuming to build our infrastructure, to provision your IT resources for your project. It will take lot of time, lot of budget to fulfill project requirement. That is the main and very important point why entire IT industry looking towards cloud computing. Okay. Apart from that, there are many challenges are there to maintain our own data center. Okay. One thing is we need dedicated space for housing infrastructure. See, to maintain the data center, this is the one challenge. See, to maintain, to establish the data center, we cannot go and establish the data center in forest, right? We have to deploy this data center in well-known cities. Okay, so Microsoft, TCS, Wipro, Cognizant, they won't establish the data center in Nellore, Goodur, Vengadagiri, Guntur and all, right? So they are looking for many parameters. Okay, for example, if you would like to establish one data center in Hyderabad, the land cost is very high. Am I right? Next, high bandwidth internet is required. Next, redundant power supply and the efficient cooling system, physical security, everything is required. Manually, we have to arrange. Apart from that, assume that this is the one data center. Due to some disaster, my data center has gone. Best example, you know, right? 10 days back, there were full floods in Vijayawada. So that case, if we had in our data center in Vijayawada, if it is in floods, so what will happen? That is the disaster. If there is a disaster, accessibility will be disconnected, communication will be disconnected, data cannot be accessible. That is the again big loss for corporate companies. Okay, so in order to maintain what is the disaster recovery, again you have to maintain another data center that we will call it as disaster recovery. Am I right? That is the again cost. That's why entire IT industry looking towards cloud, 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 cloud. When you go for cloud computing, here we have three types of cloud service deployment models. One is as, PaaS, SaaS. Okay, what is the as, guys? What all things comes under as? Any idea? Anyone? What all things comes under as? Like server, storage, network, database, these all comes under infrastructure as a services. Okay, so as you said, to provision 5 servers within a minute, we can provision these servers, guys. Next, PaaS in the sense they are providing ready-made environment. So here I would like to highlight one point is all Azure AI services comes under PaaS. Why? Because backend they have provided ready-made environment. All you need to deploy your application and integrate your application, these AI services with your custom application. Got it? So that is about what best example for PaaS is all Azure AI services comes under PaaS. Next, software as a services. So can you tell me best example for software as a service, guys? Anyone? Aisha, Kiran, Page, anyone? Can you tell me best example for what is that? Software as a service. Am I audible? Can you see my screen? Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. Best example for software as a services is what? Office 365. Now we are officially calling it as what? Microsoft 365. Under Microsoft 365, we have n number of packages like Microsoft Teams, Outlook, okay, next OneDrive, SharePoint, Microsoft Office tools like Word, PPT, Excel, everything. Next, SharePoint, Dynamic CRM. Okay, next, OneDrive, and we can call it as Power Automation, Power BI. Okay, Dynamic CRM. These all come under what? Software as a services. These are the tools, guys. Next, what is the difference between on-premises and cloud? Just now we discussed it. Under on-premises, everything you have to take care. That is the manual process. Coming to the cloud computing, that is depends on your requirement. Would you like to go for only infrastructure? Yes. Would you like to go for PaaS? Yes. Would you like to go for SaaS? That is up to you. That all depends on business requirement. When you go for cloud computing, you need not have to worry about security. You need not worry about the installation and management of infrastructure. You need not have to worry about the deployment of application. Okay, that all automation Microsoft has provided. Using them, we can fulfill our project requirement. Okay, yeah, next. There are three types of cloud computing. One is public cloud, private cloud, hybrid cloud. What is the public cloud, guys? Anyone? Public. The name itself, it is saying public. Anyone? The resources which can be accessible as a public is called public cloud. Okay, yeah, private in the sense the resources which can be accessible as a private is called private cloud. Hybrid means the resources which can be accessible, the combination of public plus private cloud called hybrid cloud. Okay, yeah, next, out of them, there are many vendors are there to provide cloud computing technology. Can anyone tell me, guys, best example? Who are the cloud vendors are there in the market? Anyone? One is Microsoft Azure. Second one is, come on. Yes, AWS. Okay, third one is Google. Next, fourth one is IBM Bluemix, IBM. Okay, fifth one is Oracle. Sixth one is what? Alibaba. Alibaba. So out of them, very, very, very popular in the market is these two guys, Microsoft Azure and AWS. If you consider cloud market is 100%, Okay, these two technologies itself occupied 80%, remaining all what? 20%, guys. So out of them, Microsoft Azure is very popular. Okay, very popular. I am working as an architect in here itself. Now, why I am telling 80%, why I am telling Microsoft Azure is the market leader is they have integrated with Copilot. Okay, this is the Microsoft developed AI solutions. Okay. Okay, guys. AWS Azure. What is that? Microsoft Azure integrated with Copilot each and every product, guys. So all Microsoft products, whatever it is there in the market, like Windows Server, SQL Server, Azure, and Office products, okay, everything, wherever you go, Microsoft integrated Copilot AI services. Actually, that is the market leader. Okay, market totally captured by Microsoft. Clear? The market totally captured by Microsoft. Okay, what is the Copilot? That all we will discuss about what? In AI solutions. Now, what is the Microsoft Azure? What is the Microsoft Azure? Note it down. Azure is a comprehensive set of cloud services. Note it down. Azure is a comprehensive set of cloud services where we can build, deploy, manage, and access the applications through global network data center space. I am repeating, through global network data centers. Okay. Global network data centers means, what does it mean? You know, right? Microsoft has around 140 countries, they had their own data center. Can anyone tell me what are the data centers in India? Microsoft currently maintaining 3 data centers in India. Can you tell me what are those locations? Can you guess? Kaiser, Kiran, Tej, Roshan. Yeah, one is Chennai. Where is that? One is Chennai, Mumbai. Other one is Pune, guys. Chennai, Mumbai, Pune. So Hyderabad data center not yet in form. They are constructing Shadnagar. So that is the second largest data center in Asia country regions. Okay, that is in progress. Maybe it will be coming end of 2025. Okay, yeah, great. Next, what is the when is the Microsoft Azure came to the picture? In the year 2010, Microsoft introduced the word called Windows Azure. Windows Azure. Later, they introduced a new deployment model, new innovations. Then they changed it. What is that? Windows Azure as a Microsoft Azure. Clear? Windows Azure as a Microsoft Azure. Clear? Yeah, great. Next, another thing here is why Microsoft Azure, why not AWS? See, Azure has more global regions than other cloud provider. Can you tell me who is the market leader, guys? Anyone? Here, who is the other cloud provider? Anyone? Yeah, see here, Azure has more global region than any other cloud provider. Other cloud provider here is AWS, guys. Okay, next. So we are bringing our application closer to customers. So if you observe 54 regions, 140 countries, Microsoft has their own data center. A day before yesterday, also Microsoft purchased the I think 160 acres in Pune to extend the existing data center. Okay, yeah, like Microsoft, what is that? Expanding their data centers, especially in India, as they identified there is a lot of growth in Asian countries under. Next, why Microsoft Azure? Why not AWS? First thing is low cost, guys. As you know that already, 50% products, whatever you are using in our day-to-day life, they are from Microsoft. Windows, Office products, okay, like browser Edge. Okay, next. Copilot. Next, SQL Server. All Office product belongs to Microsoft Azure.
Sorry,
Next,
what is Copilot?
Copilot is Microsoft Azure AI. Copilot is it is the artificial intelligence application.
Okay.
Okay, I am coming to that part. Next, here global research. Okay, so global research reach means your data can be distributed across the globe in a minutes, and it is very secure, guys. No one can hack the data. No one can track the data. This is about what overview of Microsoft Azure. Now coming to Azure AI. Okay, coming to Azure AI. What is the Azure AI, guys? Anyone? Why? Why should I go for Azure AI?
That's AI service provided by Azure, right?
Yeah. You have already, they have other Google also there, right?
Yeah, Google Vertex.
Yeah, Google also there. Then why should I go for Azure AI?
Again, we are using Microsoft.
Yeah.
All right.
So,
Yeah.
yes. Yeah, simply we can say Azure providing, what is that? Azure providing pre-built services, guys. Note it down. Okay, yeah, see, what is the Azure AI? First of all, what is the artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence refers a technology that enable computer and machines to simulate like human intelligence. So Azure artificial intelligence, it will work as a like our human brain. Human brain in the sense, best example, today we made some mistakes. Will you repeat it tomorrow? Same mistakes? No, right? What does it mean? Your brain will educate, your brain will taking the training. Okay, if you go for this way, we may face some issues, right? Then we will go for right way. Same way, we will train to computers. We will train to computers. It will train their self later on and provide the result to customers. Is called artificial intelligence. Okay, simply we can say artificial intelligence is a like human intelligence. It is a problem, it has problem resolving capabilities, and it can be integrated with your existing applications to provide velocity and productivity of your application. Is called artificial intelligence. Okay, why Microsoft Azure AI again? So we have two popular products in the market. One is Microsoft, other one is what? Google, guys. So there is a other one, OpenAI. Okay, OpenAI that is already integrated with what? Microsoft. They are both together partners. So Microsoft, they launched one product called, we can call it as Copilot. Okay, Google, they came up with what is that? Gemini. Gemini.google.com. You can go for that is what Google product. So here, why Microsoft Azure AI? See, Azure AI, they had provided pre-built services, guys. Note it down. What is that? Pre-built services. Okay, where you can integrate with your applications. Easily you can integrate with your application. Clear? Okay, so here your application with we can integrate with your application without what is that? Expertise in AI technologies, guys. Got it? So here you can create applications that can be analyze the data and recognize the images, process and natural process and all. Natural language process and all. Okay, so this is about what Azure AI pre-built services. I am repeating, why should I go for Azure AI, guys? Azure AI can be integrate with existing applications. Microsoft providing pre-built services. You need not expertise in what developing these services. Why? Because Microsoft already had developed and provide the service to the customers is called Azure AI. Now have a look. What is the Azure AI? See, Azure AI comprehensive platform offered by Microsoft where you can build, deploy, manage artificial intelligence solutions. Okay, they are providing lot of services and tools, and they are providing Azure AI Studio. Using that, we can customize the solutions and integrate with your application. Integrate with your application. Okay, next, this is enterprise ready-made environment. Enterprise ready-made environment. Okay, this is about what? Artificial intelligence. Got it? I am repeating. What is the Azure AI, guys? Azure AI is a comprehensive platform where Microsoft providing pre-built services and runtime environment. Just you have to integrate these applications with your existing application to increase the productivity for your customers. That is called Microsoft Azure Artificial Intelligence. Okay. Now, there are various types of Azure AI. Okay, what are the various types of Azure AI, guys? One is machine learning. Okay, what is that? One is machine learning. Azure machine learning, I can say. Next one is deep learning. Next, natural language processing. Next, computer vision. Okay, computer vision, it is the critical and important component. Already it is integrating with what is that? Automobile industry. Automobile industry. So computer vision in the sense it will detect the objects and read the data. According to that, your product will be reacted. Best example, you know, right? There is a one vehicle, Mahindra SU 700. SVU 700 vehicle is there. They implemented computer vision functionality. What will happen now? Assume that you are driving a car with 120 speed. All of a sudden, there is an animal on the road, or human beings, or some objects are detected. Okay, based on object detection. So immediately the speed will come down to 40 to 50 and all, so that you can control the car. You need not have to take care about it. Automatically it gets reduced. Okay, when car is traveling on the road, suddenly it has identified one object. According to that, it will respond. Okay, so they have implemented Mahindra SU 700. Okay, yeah, anyhow, that is the one artificial intelligence feature they had implemented. Next, machine learning is nothing but algorithm, guys. It will predict the number. It will analyze the data. It is called machine learning. What is that machine learning? Algorithms learn from the data and make prediction and classification. It is called machine learning. Okay. So here Azure Machine Learning is a cloud platform where allow you to build and manage, deploy your machine learning models anywhere using any devices, guys. Okay, yeah, so I can say, assume that you had one business, automobile industry. Okay, what is that? Automobile industry. Now, in the year 2010, you sell it around 30,000 unit. 2011, 40,000 unit. 2020, assume that 60,000 units. 2024, what is that? Like 80,000 units. You have sell this car. Now, I would like to predict how many cars I can sell it in 2025. So if we implement machine learning model, okay, it will take previously existing data, it will get analyzed and provide the prediction model. Okay, it will give the what is that exact value, like maybe in 2025 we are predicting you may sell it 1,20,000 units, like that. Here unit in a sense car, guys. One car equal to one unit. Okay, yeah. Now that kind of prediction and classification it is identified. Okay, that is about machine learning. Clear? Yeah. Next. So nowadays AI is the part of our human life, guys. it has been involved in retail industry. Already they have integrated with the banking systems. Okay, they are going to integrate with what we can say health insurance, health and hospitalization services. Okay, so they are already coming in various types of what is that AI nowadays. You know, right? Even surgeries also happen through robots. Just doctor will monitor, and as per programming AI intelligence, Microsoft they have implemented AI solutions in robots doing the surgeries. I hope you might have heard. If there is knee, like our legs, knees surgeries are there. Now robots are doing. They are implementing in what we can say Yashoda Hospital and all. Go and check. Okay, those all comes under purely what implementing Azure AI solutions. Okay, artificial intelligence. Next, now language transaction. Language means you know English, I know Telugu. So English it will convert it to Telugu. Telugu to English. It will convert it to all local languages for entire world. So that is what language translation. Okay, yeah. So according to that, content also get generated. Okay, next. So here, these are all AI common workloads. AI common workloads means machine learning, computer vision, NLP, document intelligence, data mining, and generative AI. These are the six components of Microsoft Azure AI workload space. It is an important interview question. What are the common workloads that we will use it in Azure AI? So as I said, one is machine learning, computer vision, NLP, document intelligence, knowledge mining, and generative AI. Machine learning, just now I said. What is that? It will give you predictive models. Okay, predictive models. Computer vision, as I said, it is the capabilities within AI interrupt the world visually through cameras, videos, and images. Okay, going forward, what will happen now? You know, right? In Hyderabad, entire city, we had CC cameras. Assume that there was some disturbance happened. Assume that there is a theft. He done the murder. Okay, he done the one murder. So what we can do now? The police's department and all, they can take the photo and upload it into what? Centralized location. These cameras will always monitor entire city whenever that image is detected, whether he is traveling by car, or by traveling by bus, or by walking by bike, cycle, whatever they are using. Immediately it will detect and send the alert to department so that they can easily caught that thief. Clear? That is the power of what? Computer vision. So going forward, you can see more security on it. Okay, already it is implemented in US federal government. So that what is that? Like performing illegal activities. Okay, that are very dangerous. Okay, that is the power of what? Computer vision. Clear? Next. This is about what? Mostly it will detect cameras, videos, images, etc. etc. Next, NLP. NLP means Azure NLP interrupt the written speaking language, respond accordingly. So if you write the code in English, it will be converted to Telugu. If you speak in something like Korean language, it will be converted into your local language like Telugu, Malayalam, and Hindi, English, whatever the language you are looking. Document intelligence means it will process the data and find out your requirement information, filter the data and issue the document. That is what document intelligence. So generally, even handwriting documents, for example, you wrote something by using pen, you can scan it, it will be converted into text format. And the same text, again, it will be converted into required languages. That is what document intelligence. Knowledge mining means we will implement large amount of data. It's like data bricks, I can say big data. If there are such kind of big data, we can filter and such the required document that is in knowledge mining. Generative AI, especially right, we can customize the our solution files, customize the our images, okay, various formatted. Okay, where we can use generative AI. So create original text in various format, including natural language, images, code, and animal. This is about what? 6 common AI workloads. This is the certified question. What are the 6 AI common workloads? Machine learning, computer vision, NLP, document intelligence, knowledge mining. Other one is what? Generative AI. Keep it in our mind. Okay. Whereas coming to Azure Machine Learning, another point which I would like to highlight here is Azure Machine Learning provide a wide range of tools. Microsoft came up with their own tools, okay, which will make it easy to build and deploy machine learning models. They are providing machine learning studio, guys, ML studio. Okay, ML Studio. Using this ML Studio, already Microsoft provided pre-built models. Using them, you can develop your custom model and integrate it with your custom application. Your application can be anything, guys. The application might have developed using Java, .NET, PHP, Python, whatever it is, you can integrate this solution with your application. Okay, that is about what ML Studio. So what is the ML Microsoft machine learning, guys? Microsoft Azure machine learning provides a various range of tools, services that make it easy to build and deploy your AI models. It's called Machine Learning Studio. Okay. Yeah. Next. See, guys, this is the responsible of AI. This is the important, and this is the another interview question. Okay. Yeah. Now, lot of openings are Azure AI. I am not telling as a simple story. You people can go ahead and verify. At this moment, Azure AI has lot of demand in the market. Okay. So one interview question, as I said, what is that? What is that? Common workloads of Azure AI. Common workloads are what? Machine learning, okay, computer vision, NLP, document intelligence, knowledge mining. Okay, next, generative AI. Next, what are the 6 principles of Azure AI? This is again another certified question. Okay, what are the 6 principles of Azure AI? One is fairness, transparent, privacy, reliability, accountability, inclusiveness. Fairness means simply we can say, so assume that I am the male. I went to apply the home loan. I went to bank and speaking to what is that bank manager, and he should not, what is that, approve the loan based on beauty of humans. See, I went to bank, he rejected. One beautiful girl went to home, went to bank, and he speaks some like 10 minutes and all, bank manager will approve. That should not happen. That is what fairness is. Fairness means as per rules and regulations, whether human or something or whoever is manipulating in society, that should be fairness. Irrespective of manipulating, it should be a fairness. That is the one responsibility of Azure AI. Clear? Next, transparency means the data should be high transparent. If I go and search something, you should not respond differently. You go and search it. It should not respond differently for you and all. Whoever is searching and typing something, it should give exact information. That is what transparency. Privacy and security. Privacy and security, it is the responsible of every human. Got it? So always you should secure your data. You should provide the privacy, okay, for your data. That all what? Privacy and security. And the reliability and safety. The product should be trusted by customers, guys. Reliability means and safety. Assume that you have implemented one AI solution in farming land. Okay, and you are farming some paddy, you are farming from vegetables and all. So where you are implementing some AI solutions, so as per their requirement, it should provide reliability and safety. Okay, their farmers should have safety and reliability. He should trust our product. He should not be misusers and all. That is what reliability and safety. Accountability means, so to maintain all these things, this is our accountability. Inclusiveness, we are empowering for every resource in society. We are providing empower for every humans so that they can freely speak and they can freely deliver the words as per their requirement. That is about what? Responsible of Azure AI. Okay, yeah, next. So this is the architecture of Azure Artificial Intelligence. Okay, so machine learning, natural language process, vision, speech, planning. What is that? Robotics. Okay, again under machine learning, we have supervised, unsupervised. Under natural language, content classification, and machine learning, translating, Azure. Okay, image recognition, machine vision, speech services, text services. Under speech, we have two types. Under vision, we have two types. Okay, and what is that? Natural language process. These are the classification. Under machine learning, we have three types of classification. Okay, so this is about what? Azure Artificial Intelligence. Okay, yeah. So this is the overview of just artificial intelligence. Got it? We have many things we will discuss one by one. Before going for in-depth of these things, there are mainly two certification paper, guys, we are pointing about. Our first thing is Azure Administration. Okay, next Azure AI. Azure Administration Certification paper is AI, sorry, AZ 104, guys. Next, Azure AI certification papers are AI 900 plus AI 102. AI 900 fundamentals, AI 102 is the what? Advanced. Okay, I am going to cover, it has been included in same Azure AI. Okay, yeah, next. So if you learn Azure AI, next topic you have to target about generative AI. Generative AI, guys. Okay, that is about coding part. Mainly you have to concentration about what is that Python language and all. But whatever Microsoft providing pre-built services that can be utilized 80%. If not satisfied, then we have to go on generate our own coding part. That's it. Apart from that, nothing. But Microsoft Azure here, they are providing lot of pre-built services, guys. Pre-built means ready-made services are there, just we would like to use them for our project requirement. Okay, yeah, next. This is about what? Overview of Microsoft Azure Administration, Microsoft Azure AI. Okay, here I am giving what is that? See, guys, the roadmap of certification. First thing is Azure AI 900 Fundamentals, Microsoft Certified AI 102. I am the certified, what is that? All these two papers, I am acting as a co-pilot chomp, co-pilot product manager. Okay. Yeah, so this is about, what is that? Azure AI roadmap. Okay. Yeah, next. So in coming to the Azure AI, we discussed the two important bullet points. What are they? One is AI common workloads. Other one is what? Responsibility of AI. Okay. Next, and artificial intelligence, official generative AI. Okay. This is the overview of Microsoft Azure AI. Okay. Yeah. If we go for official site, have a look. Go to azure.microsoft.com. This is the official site. Okay. So directly here, scroll down. Directly Microsoft providing what is the Azure AI. See, guys. Click on it. It will give you the beautiful definition. What is that? It is a capability of computer. What is that? It is a capability of computer system to mimic human like a cognitive function such as learning and problem solving. This simply we can say, keep it in our mind. Artificial intelligence is nothing but human intelligence. How we are acting in front of humans, same way our software will act. Okay, you know, right? Your behavior will be changed. Am I right? If you would like to speak with your manager, then you can ask politely. You can ask what is that. Everything as a requested format. If you would like to, while you are speaking with your friend, we will use different words. We will use some closeness, some different format. Same way, as per a requirement, the system will train itself and provide the resolution to customers. Okay, that is the exact meaning. What it is saying, it is the capability of computer system mimic human like cognitive functions such as learning and problem solving. The program device itself, it will learn itself and provide the solution to the customers. Okay, yeah, next, how does it work? See, using math and logic. Okay, a computer system simulate reasoning that humans use, learn from the new information and take the decision, guys. Okay, an artificial intelligence computer system make prediction and take action based on pattern on existing data. I said, right, you are doing some business since 10 years. Okay, you would like to predict what will happen next year. Okay, what is the sales area, we may sell it in next month, next year. So that all will be predict and provide the resolution to customers, guys. Okay, yeah, so this is about what, even it will handle complex scenarios as well. As I said, see guys, it will use for complex scenarios such as self-driving cars, image recognition programs, and what is that, virtual assistant. Virtual assistants means, see guys, this is the virtual assistants. If I go for what is that, mm, uh, hdfc.com. Okay, hdfc.com. This is what, assistant, guys. See, it is popping Eva. Okay, if I type hello, it will say how are you. See guys. Okay, welcome to HDFC Bank. Okay, need to apply credit card. This is the AI, guys. Microsoft Azure AI. See guys, it is providing. I will show you same way how we can develop the application. Chart bot application like this. Okay, this is the, what is that? Artificial intelligence. Okay, that is the virtual assistant. Even see, this is they are processing microphone. Okay, what it does is, it will take your words, convert it into the text, and asking for a suggestion. See, hi, how are you? Click on it. Hi, how are you? See, it is giving. Okay. Again, I need to apply one HDFC credit card. See how easily identify my speech. I need to apply one credit card. Immediately, it is taking my words, converting to the text, and submitting the request, and the response will be back to the client. Okay, it is a wonderful, right? So same, they are using our Azure AI pre-built services. It's a wonderful. Still, they are what is that, updating these are information. Okay, yeah, see here, what is the key points of Azure AI? Directly they have provided. How AI relevant to machine learning, how AI relevant to cognitive APIs, okay, how AI relevant to your data science, how AI relevant to robotics, guys. This is what I had discussed. Nowadays, surgeries are taken care by robots. Already they implemented AIs, guys. You can uh, you can inquire it in big what is that, hospitals in Hyderabad. Okay, here they are providing. What is the machine learning? Machine learning is a process of computer system follow the archive artificial intelligence. It uses the algorithm, guys, identify the patterns, data, and create the data model. You can make prediction, guys. Okay, prediction and classification. Okay, so this is about what? Machine learning. Another thing is deep learning. We will implement for what? Different services. Okay, to deeply what is that, investigate some data, then we will go for deep learning. Okay, so artificial intelligence, generative AI, artificial intelligence, narrow AI, artificial intelligence, ASI. Okay, three types of artificial intelligence are there. Okay, present we are using these two. Okay, these are what pre-built. If you would like to go for customize, you will go for generative AI, guys. Okay, what are the types of what is that intelligence are there? Three types. One is narrow AI, generative AI, and ASI. This is the overview of what is that Microsoft Azure AI and machine learning. So just I boom up the just overview of Microsoft Azure. So I'm going to discuss about all practical session AI, how we can integrate our AI with our web application, that all I will show you going forward. Okay. Yeah, so this is about overview of Microsoft Azure AI and Azure Advanced Administration. If you had any questions, feel free and ask me. Kaishar, Kiran, Rohan. Any questions, Kaishar? Unmute yourself. You can come out some questions if we had.
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes, Kiran.
So here is the thing, right? I'm confused with the course. You mentioned like it's Azure Admin and then Azure AI.
Yeah, correct.
I'm confused with there. Like, it's are you going to teach all Azure admin activities or only admin activities on the AI services?
Admin activities plus AI services. Admin activities on AI services, both.
Like provisioning the virtual machines and
Yes, yes. Background AI services would be deployed on top of VM's administrative services only, right?
okay,
Simply, if I go and touch AI services, you will not be understand what happening at backend, right?
okay.
Okay. Everything you should be provision the services and give the data. Yes. Okay. Do you have any questions? Any more questions, Kiran? Kaiser?
No, what's the duration? Is it 45 days?
Yeah, it's a 45 days.
Okay,
Yeah.
no, I think I'm good. Yeah.
Yes, everything would be a practical demo. I will show you how to design the machine learning, how we can generate the chatbot services, how can you generate the computer vision, how to utilize the services, okay, how to predict the models, machine learning. That all we'll discuss about what is that AI services in this course. Okay. Yeah, so tomorrow I'm going to show you what is the topics which I am going to cover for this syllabus. Then we'll move on to next topic. Okay. Yeah. Any questions, Kaiser? Okay. Thanks for your time. Tomorrow I'll come back. Bye. Have a great day. Take care.